Welcome to this tutorial. I'm Parker and I'll show you the next steps to start with your training. We will check your application within these days. Once it is accepted, you will receive an email confirming your enrollment. At the same time, you will receive another email with your username and password. Store them because are required to gain access to the program. The link to access the program on your phone's or computer's browser will be included in the welcome email. When you click on it, this screen appears, and you have to enter your username and password. This allows you to follow lectures, make comments, and engage in discussions with other students. To use the Kajabi app, you must first download it from Google Play or the Apple Store. It is free. Once downloaded, you'll have to open it and input your username and password. Since that time content is then accessible immediately from the app, you will be able to scroll through the lectures, listen to and reprise the speech, comment and communicate with other students. If you have any access issues, please contact us.